Looking for the top 5 best A3 DTF printers of 2026? In this guide, we've selected 5 A3/A3 Plus DTF printers suited for different needs, from beginners and DIY creators to small apparel businesses. We'll compare their print quality, speed, white ink circulation, maintenance features, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the right machine for t-shirts, hoodies, bags, and other custom apparel.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. INKSONIC 14-inch F1080 DTF Printer. The INKSONIC 14-inch F1080 DTF Printer H13 is a powerful A3 Plus direct-to-film printing solution designed for small businesses, custom apparel printing, and beginners. It features a 14-inch print width, low-temperature F1080 printhead, and can produce a full A3 print in around 3 minutes according to the manufacturer. Its 24/7 automatic maintenance, advanced CISS white ink circulation, anti-clog system, printhead inspection station, and vacation mode are designed to make operation more reliable and reduce maintenance. The package also includes a curing oven, pre-configured laptop, and film cutter, providing an all-in-one setup for getting started with DTF printing. With USB connectivity and color printing, this INKSONIC model is a convenient choice for users who want a complete A3 Plus DTF printing setup. Number 2. A3 DTF Printer R1390 for beginner. The Finkel A3 R1390 DTF printer is a beginner-focused direct-to-film printing machine designed for DIY apparel and small custom printing projects. It uses an R1390 printhead, supports A3 size DTF printing, and includes Air RIP software, consumables, and a user guide for getting started. Its automatic cleaning function and white ink circulation system are intended to make routine maintenance easier and help maintain consistent ink flow. The printer can be used for designs on t-shirts, bags, caps, pillows, canvas, and other compatible textiles. Number 3. SENORTIAN Upgraded A3 DTF Printer. The SENORTIAN Upgraded A3 DTF Printer with Oven Bundle Set L1800 is a versatile direct-to-film printing machine designed for DIY apparel printing and small businesses. It offers a 5760 by 1440 dpi maximum resolution, a 6-color ink system, and an advanced white ink circulation and agitation system intended to maintain consistent white ink flow. The printer supports both roll and sheet feeding and can print designs for t-shirts, hoodies, bags, hats, denim, polyester, leather, and other compatible materials without fabric pre-treatment. The included oven bundle makes it a more complete setup for producing DTF transfers, while USB connectivity and Windows compatibility provide a straightforward computer-based workflow. Number 4. Procolored K13 Lite, HL500, DTF Printer. The Procolored K13 Lite, HL500, 13-inch A3 DTF printer is a beginner-friendly direct-to-film printer designed for custom apparel businesses, Etsy sellers, print-on-demand shops, and home studios. It features a 13-inch, 330mm, print width, LH500 printhead, CMYK plus W ink configuration, automatic printhead cleaning, and white ink circulation to help maintain consistent ink flow. Procolored lists a 1440 by 1440 dpi print accuracy and approximately 12.5 minutes per A4 print, making it better suited to small-scale production than high-volume printing. The printer works with Windows OS and uses Procolored Studio Lite software. Number 5. DTF Printer A3 L1800. The INKSONIC A3 L1800 DTF printer is a versatile direct-to-film machine aimed at DIY t-shirt printing, apparel customization, and small businesses. It features a white ink circulation system that combines stirring, continuous circulation, and filtration to help maintain consistent ink flow and reduce clogging. The printer supports A3 media, USB, and Wi-Fi connectivity, and offers a 6-color printing system with resolutions listed up to 5760 by 1440 dpi. It also includes semi-automatic cleaning, temperature control, and vacuum film adsorption, while the package includes consumables and software. It can be used for transfers on cotton, polyester, leather, mixed fabrics, t-shirts, hoodies, caps, bags, shoes, and other textiles.